How to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not showing code. Now, I won't be able to show you directly from the application itself because it's going to be on a black screen due to security purposes. But what you want to do is just to simply straight into your security notifications. Once you open up your Microsoft Authenticator app, just go to the three dots at the top right and then go to security notifications. Now, if your code is not popping up, showing up there, all you have to do next to make sure that your current time zone is set into automatic by going to settings and then just look for time, go to date and time, and then from here just simply make sure that it is set into automatic date and time and automatic time zone as well. Still not working, all you have to do is to tap and hold on the authenticator application logo and go to the eye icon. Now from here scroll down, go to storage, and then just simply clear all data and clear all cache. And those are the troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not showing code.